apparently saying that they want to try and green up their act. We decided to help. The first project on our channel is the electrification of the David Best rocket car. The David Best rocket car, an infamous and very well-known Burning Man car, it's based on a 1979 Cadillac Seville. Big block, V8, gas guzzling. I have no fucking idea. What is this? A 500? What were the Cadillac motors? I forget. I like how you can stop, you can jump on the back of it. Previously, there were no options for art cars other than to have a gas guzzling car. I've been part of this industry and we have the skills, both myself and the crew, to do these kinds of conversions. This area is this is the battery area. So inevitably, somebody in the comments will be like, why'd you put an electric motor in it? You could have just put an LS motor. So here, we're gonna put an LS in it for you. There you go. There you go, Chevy guys.